Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to change your flight on Jetstar Airways. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in jetstar.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Jetstar if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top side of the screen, as you can see, we have the deals, flights, holidays, hotels, Club Jetstar, where we fly menu, and of course your profile. And in the middle, as you can see, we have your option where you can go and book a flight. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change your flight on Jetstar Airways. So first of all, go and click on manage booking, which is of course here, and then enter your booking reference and a last name. After that, select the option to change your flight. Choose a new flight you want from the available options. Follow the prompts to confirm the changes and pay an applicable fee that you'll have to of course go and pay. If your booking was made through a travel agent, you may need to contact the travel agent directly to make the changes. So basically, if it's probably made by through a travel agent, you cannot do it by yourself probably. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.